If you're 55 or older and you wake up tired, stiff, and feeling like your energy has disappeared, this video is for you. Imagine waking up 30 days from now with the energy of your 40s without depending on expensive pills or crowded gyms. Research from universities like Harvard shows that a few simple habits can reverse up to 40% of fatigue and significantly improve mobility in older adults. The surprising part, the first step in this routine costs around 10 cents a day. I'll show you exactly what it is in a moment. Before that, type your age plus the word Enleve in the comments so I know you're joining this 55 plus longevity and energy journey. After 55, your body goes through 3 major shifts. First, you lose muscle faster, a process called sarcopenia. Second, your mitochondria, the energy factories inside your cells, become less efficient. And third, your sleep quality often declines. Studies in journals like JAMA and The Lancet show that adults in this age group can lose 1 to 2% of muscle mass per year if nothing is done. The good news is that simple lifestyle changes can reverse a big part of this within weeks. In so-called blue zones, places in the world where people live much longer with fewer chronic diseases like Okinawa in Japan, many people in their 90s still walk, cook, and take care of themselves. Their secret isn't a magic supplement. It's a combination of regular movement, simple food, reasonable sleep, and a sense of purpose. Today, I'll translate that philosophy into a practical 30-day routine you can follow at home. And there's another important layer. Besides better health, this routine can save you a lot of money on medications and doctor visits over the years. We'll talk about the health finances of each step as we go. Stay with me until the end, because the last section will put everything together into a very simple 30-day plan, plus a PDF you can download. Let's start with the cheapest and one of the most powerful steps, breathing. Research shows that simple breathing techniques can reduce stress and improve sleep quality in older adults. One of the most effective and easiest to learn is the 4-7-8 breathing pattern. It's also used by elite forces like Navy SEALs to control stress. Here's how it works. Breathe in through your nose while counting to 4. Hold your breath for a count of 7, and then exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 8. That's one cycle. In the beginning, do 4 to 6 cycles, about 5 minutes. Why does this matter for longevity and energy? Because calming your nervous system improves blood pressure, sleep, and even immune function. Within days, many people report feeling less anxious and more rested when they wake up. A bit later, when we talk about evening routine and sleep, you'll see how this same technique becomes a key part of your night as well. Right after breathing comes hydration. A large percentage of adults over 55 spend most of the day slightly dehydrated, which increases fatigue, headaches, low blood pressure episodes, and even constipation. Here's the simple habit. As soon as you're done with your breathing, drink a big glass of water, around 500 milliliters. If your stomach tolerates it, you can squeeze in half a lemon for taste and digestion support. The main point isn't the lemon, it's starting your day by properly rehydrating. From a health finance perspective, this habit costs just a few cents per day, and over the years helps reduce small issues that often lead to extra appointments and pills. In a moment, when we talk about nutrition and dinner, you'll see how hydration and food choices work together to keep your energy steady all day long. After you've taken care of breathing and water, it's time to move. Here we use a concept that has exploded in the health and longevity world in recent years. Zone 2. Cardiology and longevity research show that training in a moderate heart rate zone, where you can talk but not comfortably sing, strengthens your mitochondria and improves your body's ability to use fat as fuel. To keep it simple, start with 10 minutes of walking at a pace where you feel your breathing increase, but you can still hold a conversation. If you have a watch or app, you can estimate your target heart rate as roughly 60 to 70% of your maximum. Just a few weeks of consistent Zone 2 walking can improve conditioning, help control blood sugar, and support heart health. In a future video focused on mobility and fall prevention, we'll see how to combine this walk with balance and strength drills to protect your independence. Right after your walk, spend another 5 to 8 minutes on 3 stretches that protect your hips, spine, and shoulders. Hips, standing and holding onto a chair, gently move one leg back until you feel a stretch in the front of your thigh. Hold for 30 to 40 seconds per side. Spine, perform a gentle cat-cow movement, either standing, supported on a table, or on all fours, alternating rounding and extending your back. Shoulders, slow, controlled circles with your shoulders forward and backward, 10 to 15 reps each way. Many pain clinics report that a large portion of everyday aches in older adults could be reduced or prevented with just a few minutes of daily stretching, especially after 55. Later, when we talk about grip strength and balance in a dedicated video, you'll see how these simple moves help reduce fall and fracture risk. Now that you've improved your breathing, hydration, and movement, it's time for fuel. After 55, your body needs more protein to maintain and rebuild muscle. Research suggests that older adults benefit from increasing protein intake by roughly 25 to 30% compared to younger adults. Instead of a breakfast made mostly of white bread and coffee, the Enleve routine suggests a plate with around 25 to 30 grams of protein. For example, 2 scrambled eggs, a bit of cottage cheese or plain yogurt, some oats, and a piece of fruit. If you use protein powder, like whey, discuss the right dose with your doctor or nutritionist. The focus is twofold: providing raw material to keep muscles strong and avoiding sharp spikes and crashes in blood sugar that kill your energy. Financially, putting together this kind of breakfast at home is usually far cheaper than relying on pastries, snacks, or takeout. Over a month, the savings can easily reach dozens or even hundreds of dollars, depending on your current habits. In a few minutes, when we get to the daily habits and dinner, you'll see how small adjustments in each meal create a compounding effect on your energy and long-term longevity. Daytime habits and night routine. Part 1. 3 simple daytime habits. During the day, 3 simple habits help maintain the base you built in the morning. Continuous hydration. Always keep a water bottle nearby and aim to refill it several times. Active breaks. Every 50 to 60 minutes of sitting, stand up, walk a bit, and do a few gentle movements. Posture awareness, especially if you spend time on a computer or phone. Shoulders slightly back, head aligned over your chest. These may sound like small details, but over months and years, they have a huge impact on pain, energy, and your ability to remain independent. Part 2. Night routine and sleep. At the end of the day, we reach one of the most important pillars of longevity: sleep. Research shows that consistently sleeping less than about 6 hours of quality sleep accelerates several aging markers and increases the risk of heart disease and memory issues. For people 55 and older, a simple night routine could include a lighter dinner 2 to 3 hours before bed, limiting bright screens, phone, tablet, TV very close in the last hour, repeating a few cycles of the 4-7-8 breathing pattern we practiced in the morning. The goal isn't a perfect night, but a predictable ritual. Within a few weeks, many people report waking up fewer times at night and feeling more restored in the morning. Remember what we said about energy and health finances? Slightly better sleep, maintained over months and years, reduces the risk of several chronic conditions that are expensive in money and quality of life. If you follow this routine for the next 30 days, breathing, hydration, zone 2 walking, stretches, a protein-rich breakfast, small daytime adjustments, and a simpler night routine, it's very likely you'll notice real changes in your energy, mood, and even sleep quality. Everyone is unique, but studies and real-world cases show that especially after 55, the body responds surprisingly well once you start sending consistent signals of care. And the best part, none of this requires fancy equipment or an expensive gym. Now, I want to invite you to do 2 things. First, in the comments, type your age and which part of this routine you will start today. Second, subscribe to Enleve Longevity and turn on notifications, because in upcoming videos, we'll go deeper into each pillar. One video just about mobility and fall prevention, another focused only on sleep, and one on anti-inflammatory eating. There's a 30-day checklist PDF for this routine linked in the description so you can track your habits. And if this video made sense to you, share it with a friend or family member over 55 who deserves to live with more energy, independence, and joy. Live light, live Enleve